There is the trike. It's going to be put together soon, and tomorrow we're going to try it out. Fancy. Very excited about this. It is the Mooncool. The grandkids are coming over tomorrow and we're going to give it a whirl. Pretty fancy. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing something a little different. It is not a traditional e-bike. This is called the Mooncool TK1 folding electric trike. If you're looking for something a little more stable than a traditional bike, e-trikes are becoming increasingly popular. The TK1 comes with a great display option here. Also an option to turn on the headlight here. You can see the headlight on the bike. We can press it and hold the plus to turn it right off. Mooncool entered the e-bike market in 2021 and now offers 2 e-bikes and 3 e-trike models. The TK1 is their folding electric trike featuring a 500 motor with 55 Nm of torque, a single-speed drivetrain, 20 by 3-inch tires, front and rear cargo baskets with a combined payload capacity of 350 pounds, rider and cargo, a top speed of 16 miles an hour, a UL certified 48 volt 14.5 AH battery, good for up to 30 miles of throttle only range. It also comes with practical extras like locking brakes, fenders, a cargo net, lights and turn signals, and a horn. It has great stability at low speeds. The 3-wheel design makes it easy to balance, park, and load cargo. It's a great option for those who aren't comfortable on 2 wheels. The cargo capacity, these 2 large baskets are such a pro. It provides lots of storage, and a low rear basket makes loading simple. The locking brakes help keep it steady while loading and mounting. The strong throttle range, even without pedaling, the TK1 can travel over 30 miles, making it reliable for errands or cruising around the neighborhood. Of course, I had to give it a try. Here's me as I first learn how to ride it. I'm not a pro yet, but let me tell you, it is super fun. And I gave one of my grandkids a little ride, as I will show you in the picture at the end. And as I got better at learning it, it really is something that's fun. And I will enjoy riding it around the neighborhood. I'll put a link in the description below if it's something your guys looking for. Check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed and have a great day. Remember, you are loved.